All right. Good evening, traders. Devang here from the Financial Analyst, and it's 10 o'clock, 40 minutes Sunday evening, and I'm here to talk about something very important with regards to the market. Obviously, most of you that come to watch our channel, I believe, are people who are in the markets or who want to get into the markets. So I have something very important to share now for the next 7 to 10 days, and enjoy what I have to say. Take it seriously because if things work out, you will save a lot of money. That's what I want to say. I don't want to promise you making any money, but I can promise you that you will save a lot of money. So let's get started. Let's not waste too much time. What's happening in the market? I'll ask you a simple question. 2 months back, this entire choppiness started. We made high of the Indian markets around 16th February 2021. We made a high of 15,431 odd numbers. And after that, for the last 2 months, Feb to March, March to April, more than 2 months, now we're starting the third month, we are still in this choppiness. And I believe this is the time that most of the traders have got trapped. Most of the traders have lost money. Why is that? It's very simple. Because what was happening before this, we had a good trending market after a bottom out. So when the markets were trending, everyone knew what to do. Everyone knew that any dip that we get in the market, we should expect a V-shaped recovery because the economy is coming back into track and go buy the dip. But now, when the same strategy is being used here, you are losing money. Not only that, we have to understand that markets keep on changing. They are not constant. And as I always say, markets are supreme. You have to be ready to accept that. That's what's happening right now. The structure of the market is changing. I'm not saying it's going into a downtrend, but it's consolidating. And that's very, very different from an uptrend, from basically a trending market, whether it's up or down. That is something which is a difficult market to trade. And I'm happy that you people are watching this consolidation over the last 2 months so that when it happens in the future, 2, 3 years down the line, you will remember this time, how difficult these times were. No doubt some people are making money off it, which would mean that you're a good trader. Whoever is being able to be in a good position in this consolidated market, you will make much more money, I promise, in a trending market. But if you are making money, that means you are doing well, your foundation is strong. But I want to talk about something. Just 2, 3 days back, forget 2, 3 days back, on 22nd April, the last week when we started, last week of April, Nifty was around 14,200. SGX Nifty futures in Singapore were around 14,030, 14,016, I think was the low made. Everyone was in shorts, correct? Everyone was expecting markets are going to crash. We are expecting another lockdown coming in, a full nationwide lockdown. And coronavirus cases, I think, were 1.5 lakh back then. They went to 2, 2.5, 3 lakh. Now today is, yes, couple of days ago was 4 lakh. Everyone was saying, the news is bad. We don't have oxygen supply. People are really suffering from coronavirus. The pandemic is going out of hand. Everyone was in shorts. Obviously, we never think about the 2-3% of the people who are knowledgeable in the market. And they were the people who really bought at the lows. And could anyone have imagined that markets from 14,200 in 2 to 3 days reached 14,500? When the markets came at 14,500, there were still people in shorts. People were still in short. I think this was the time when we recommended buy May 14,000 calls. Forget about that. I'm not here to talk about all of that. So when the markets reached at 14,500, people were in shorts. Obviously, some people were still in shorts. Could anyone have imagined markets will come and make a high of 15,050 in the next 2 days? Forget that. Could anyone have imagined markets from 15,050 would come down to 14,600 once again in the next 2 days? What am I trying to say? The choppiness continues. The false breakouts continues. Today, I'm not here to talk about technicals. I've talked about technicals, I think, for the last 1 year. I'm not here to do that today. Today, I'm here to talk about something important. I'm here to give you a very, very important piece of advice, which I will be following, and it's up to you whether you want to follow or not. Try to understand something. There are two biggest problems in the market, which we don't realize. and which we know is there, but we still go against it. The first problem is fear of missing out. It's going to come into play tomorrow. I don't know what markets will do tomorrow. I personally don't know. Maybe we get a good 200-point gap down. Maybe we get a 100-point gap up. Maybe we get a flat opening. I am not aware of that. No one knows what's going to happen. We can all keep on predicting. Eventually, it really does not matter. Markets will keep on doing what they want to do. They do not owe anyone an explanation. And markets are supreme. You have to understand that. Don't try to predict tops, bottoms, all of that things. Please be a chameleon, move with the flow. What I'm trying to say is fear of missing out is going to come into this week. And I'm here to talk about it for a couple of minutes. What's going to happen? Let's take an example. Tomorrow, markets opens at 14,500, 100-point gap down. Forget SGX, Nifty, I don't care. Markets open 100-point gap down. You know what will happen? A little bit rise we will see, we will short. Why? Cases going above 4 lakh. Everything is bad. Auto sales data bad. BJP lost elections in state. Everything is bad. That is going to come to everyone's mind and everyone will short. Maybe market comes down. But you know what can again happen? It can again go 15,000. Why not? I'm here to tell you something very important, guys. Do try to understand this. It's something which will really help you in this trading career. Markets are here to stay. Markets are not going anywhere. It's you and your capital that are here for a limited time and your time. So please invest your time and capital wisely. If you do not understand a movement, do not trade it. Miss the movement. I want to show you one very, very simple example. This is one example which I tell everyone who tells me that they have a fear of missing out. I hope I'm not boring you. I just want to make a detailed video because I don't think I'm going to make a couple of videos in the next matter of days. So try to understand this. What happened? This is the charts of Ultratech Cement. Over here, I will talk about purely technicals. Now we got a good ascending triangle breakout around May. The movement happened. And what people do is they buy over here. And then when the markets start to fall, they miss the rally. So I always tell people, okay, you miss the Ultratech Cement, good ascending triangle, no problem. You can always enter at this range breakout. Then people tell me, acha yaar, ye bhi miss ho gaya. Now we are at the top, what to do again? I say, no problem. Have patience. You could have traded this double bottom over here. Then people tell me, yaar, ye to pura rally miss ho gaya. Ultratech to yaar 3,000 se 6,000 pe aa gaya. Double ho gaya. Ab kya karna chahiye? Then I say, no worries. You can again trade this breakout. Dobara kar lena trade breakout. What I'm trying to say is, dekho, markets are here to stay. They are not going anywhere. So you need to invest your time wisely. Only the movements that you understand. We are just 1%, very small pea, or I will say one very small speckle of sand in the sea. And there is much more money around us who have knowledge. So if you do not understand a movement in the market, if you have even the slightest of doubt about what the markets want to do, especially these volatile times, because trust me, the next 7 days, mind my language, are going to piss you off. I'm being very serious about it. They are going to really screw your mind. So if you do not understand that, stay out of the market for the next 7 to 10 days. A lot of people will say, we missed 7 days of trading. Yeah, you still have 10 months to trade. Because what's happening right now is everyone is coming and saying, and it is, new month is starting. Your monthly PNLs again start over. It's an opportunity for you to again start, coming in green if you were in a loss in the last month. But understand, you can't keep on trading every day. If you trade every single day, you might be profitable, but there's going to be one loss which you're not going to be able to absorb. So fear of missing out, please get away with it. What happens? Worst case scenario, let's talk about Nifty now. Let's not keep on going around the bush. Let's say Nifty goes down 500 points. You miss that fall. क्योंकि आपको समझ नहीं आया, कोई बात नहीं, उसके बाद जब एक रैली मिलेगा उस पे शॉर्ट करेंगे. But why do you want to short at a 100 to 100 point gap down, or why do you want to buy on a 100 to 100 point gap up when we don't know what's going to happen? I gave you a flip level 14,880. मैंने आपको कुछ conditions दिए थे and मेरे पास कई लोग आए, they said आपने तो व्यू बदल लिया अपना, आप तो बुलिश थे. आई टोल्ड दीज पीपल, आई सेड मैं कहाँ बुलिश था? मैंने आपको 3 कंडीशंस दिए थे, क्या उनमें से कोई भी 3 कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हुए? क्या कंडीशंस थे? आई सेड क्लाइंट्स, पीपल लाइक यू एंड मी have to be short on the index for 2 consecutive days. आपको 29th अप्रैल को वो शॉर्ट थे, उसके बाद फ्राइडे को अगेन लॉन्ग हो गए, तो क्या कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हुआ? नहीं. सेकेंडली आई सेड डॉलर इंडेक्स हैज टू कम डाउन. क्या वो आपका 2 दिन नीचे गया? नहीं. कल अगर आप डॉलर इंडेक्स देखो, इट्स अगेन गॉन अप, कंडीशन वायलेटेड. थर्ड कंडीशन आई सेड इज रूल ऑफ 2, कि मार्केट 14880 के बाद 2 दिन ऊपर रहना चाहिए क्लोजिंग बेसिस. आपको वन क्लोजिंग मिला at 14,894. Other closing, which was Friday, was again at 14,631. तो कोई कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ. एंड यू नो होता क्या है, प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, लोग ना अड़ जाते हैं कि यार हमने तो लॉन्ग बोला है, अब तो मैं लॉन्ग ही रहूंगा, हमने शॉर्ट बोला हम शॉर्ट ही रहेंगे. यार मार्केट्स आर योर बॉस. What are you? You are just a small p in this market. Please understand that. Applies to me also. मैं काफी बार, if you are in my Discord, if you are in my mentorship programs, you've seen me how Himalay, how the team changes views during markets. समझना पड़ता है. Second thing is understand, because ये आपको एक और चीज ना hit करेगा in this week. Second thing is, you know what's the biggest disadvantage of technical analysis? Anyone knows that? Let me know in the comments. I'm not here to ask you like the video or not, please. अगर करना है करना. If you like the content, if you want to comment, if you're finding it interesting, let me know in the comments. But tell me in the comments, do you know what's the biggest drawback of technical analysis? Disadvantage of technical analysis? मेरे पास काफी लोग आते हैं. I think in this COVID, about 60-70 lakh, I think in month of April or May, when COVID का जो शुरू हुआ था 2020 में, 50-60 lakh new demat accounts are open. सब लोग, you know, काफी jobs cut हो रहे थे. This was one way which looked easy to make money in. And you know, everyone said कि technicals करते हैं. Technicals तो कभी गलत ही नहीं हो सकते. And if you see my videos from the starting, if you are following me from a long time, मैं हर वीडियो में या every 1-2 videos में एक बात बोलता हूँ. That is कि जो technicals है, that's only 20-30% of the game. There are lots of other things that you need to be aware of. For example, couple of days back, on Friday, we saw crude is going up. हमने आपको बोला ऑयल एंड एनर्जी में लॉन्ग जाओ. अब उसमें टेक्निकल की कोई बात नहीं थी कि अच्छा निफ्ट ऑयल एनर्जी का लेवल टूटेगा तो ये करेंगे, वो कोई बात नहीं थी. बट थोड़ा लॉजिकल था. Even forget the charts. There are so many things happening in the macroeconomic world which influence the markets. I always tell people tell me don't trade on news. I'm saying you're right. But do you think ballistic movements happen in the market without news? I'm not saying buy the good things or sell the bad things. I'm not saying that is do that. क्योंकि वो कभी भी नहीं करते हैं. We never trade the news. And I was the only person, I would say, who said that do not buy good results in TCS. मैंने प्रूव भी किया था कि TCS रिजल्ट के बाद नीचे गिरेगा चाहे अच्छा रिजल्ट भी हो. But try to understand, एक बहुत बड़ा disadvantage है technicals का. You know what that is? That is कि we always look for another level. Technical analysts always keep looking for one more level. Example देता हूँ. Today, let's say 100 rupees is a resistance and हमारा 15-minute candle intraday के ऊपर break कर गया, close भी हो गया. You know what people will say? यार अभी 15 मिनट हुआ है, ये तो supply zone है, let's wait for 1 hour closing. अब 1 hour 100 से हो गया 104, चला गया ऊपर because एक breakout था. You know what people will then say? कि यार अच्छा ये लेवल ही पहुंच गया, कोई बात नहीं, नाउ थोड़ा सा नीचे आने दो, कहीं 102 पे करेंगे. अब जब वो भी आ गया, then they will say यार अब तो नीचे गिरने लग गया, कन्विंस नहीं हो रहा. So we always as technical analysts look for another level. That's the biggest disadvantage. And this thing is going to bother you in this coming week. I'm telling you for sure. 200 point gap down हो गया, let's say. निफ्टी आ गया 14,500, 150 point gap down हो गया. पता है क्या होगा? सबके मन में आएगा कि यार 14,500 तो सपोर्ट है, थोड़ा ये टूटने दो, 14,400 पे आते हैं. जब वो टूटेगा, यार अब बहुत नीचे चलेगा, यार थोड़ा सा वेट करते, पुल बैक आने दो. I am again and again saying the next 7 to 10 days are going to be there to annoy you. पता क्या हो सकता है? बता रहा हूं आपको. ये हो सकता है मार्केट कल गिर जाए 200 पॉइंट, 250 पॉइंट गिरने दो. कई लोग शॉर्ट जाएंगे, कई लोग गैप डाउन पे शॉर्ट करेंगे. इट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल कल ही मार्केट ऊपर बदल जाए, ऊपर निकल जाए, रिकवरी ले ले. मंडे उसके बाद ट्यूसडे क्या पता मार्केट फिर यहाँ पे जहाँ पे था, फिर शायद 14,880 रिक्लेम कर ले. मुझे काफी लोग कहते हैं कि न्यूज तो बैड है, मुझे काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि यार द न्यूज इज सो बैड, बीजेपी भी हार गया, ऑटो सेल्स डेटा तो बहुत ही बकवास है, क्या हम लोग बेरिश नहीं हो सकते अब? बट आई विल आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन, आई विल आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन, डू यू ट्रेड न्यूज? यस, न्यूज के ऊपर हमें मूव्स मिलेंगे, बट वी हैव टू सी विच डायरेक्शन एंड ट्रेड अकॉर्डिंगली। कोई न्यूज आएगा तभी एक स्पार्क आता है मार्केट में, अदरवाइज अगर मार्केट में कुछ नहीं है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फाइंड आउट एनी स्टॉक आउट ऑफ द 2000 कंपनीज इन इंडिया, फेमस कंपनीज इन इंडिया, अगर उसमें कोई न्यूज नहीं है, व्हाई विल यू ट्रेड दैट स्टॉक? यू विल नॉट इवन पे अटेंशन टू दैट स्टॉक। आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू बाय द न्यूज अगेन, आई एम सेइंग, बट आई एम सेइंग अगर कोई न्यूज आता है, अब जैसे कल ऑटो स्टॉक्स का आज न्यूज आ गया, एक फंडामेंटल आपको कैटलिस्ट मिल गया है, दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई ऑटो स्टॉक्स विल बी इन फोकस, व्हाई टुमारो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रियल विल बी इन फोकस, बिकॉज़ उसका रिजल्ट आया था। वी आर नॉट बाइंग द न्यूज बट दे बिकम इन फोकस। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज, कल मुझे नहीं पता क्या होगा, कहां जहां मर्जी मार्केट खुले, बट मेरे को ऐसा लगता है इन द कमिंग डेज मार्केट्स वाइल्ड मूव्स देने वाले हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है काफी ज्यादा बड़े मूव्स हो सकते हैं, मे बी मार्केट 300-400 पॉइंट गिर जाए, उसके बाद मुझे लगता है फिर रिकवरी आ जाएगी। मतलब people like us who are small money are going to get majorly trapped, ठीक है? We are in a range, and मैंने आपको उस दिन भी एक बात बोली थी इन दी FIDI डेटा एनालिसिस कि जब तक ये रेंज मेंटेन्ड है, बायर सेलर दोनों एक्टिव होगा। प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट वन थिंग जो आप लोगों ने लास्ट 1 ईयर में देखी है, व्हाट इज दैट, कि जितना मर्जी बड़ा फॉल आ जाए या जितना मर्जी बड़ा रैली आ जाए, उसके बाद भी फॉल आ सकता है या उसके बाद भी डबल साइज का कैंडल बन सकता है। दिस इज स्टॉक मार्केट। आई ऑलवेज टेल पीपल, व्हेनेवर समथिंग कम्स इन द न्यूज, उसको कभी भी उस डायरेक्शन में ट्रेड मत करना। बेस्ट एग्जांपल देता हूं आपको, पीपल आर सेइंग 3rd मई को लॉकडाउन लग सकता है, will the market crash 1,000 points? I say I don't know, and I'm not going to do that. I will not sell the lockdown news. Might do an intraday scalp. That's different. That is different. Obviously, your lockdown news will have a knee-jerk reaction. But are you all forgetting when the lockdowns were announced on 24th March? I don't know what the exact date were. उसके बाद actually market ने bottom बन के rally आया था। जो मार्केट है इट डिस्काउंट्स इंफॉर्मेशन, जो आपको सेलिंग मिल रहे हैं, इट इज बिकॉज मे बी मार्केट्स न्यू दैट बीजेपी विल नॉट विन, मे बी मार्केट्स नो दैट थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू गेट बैड, मे बी मार्केट्स आल्सो नो दैट कोविड कुड बी बॉटमिंग आउट, कुड बी सॉरी फ्लैटनिंग आउट, द प्लेट्यू बन सकता है द कोविड केसेस इन मिड में। मार्केट्स नेवर डू व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन टुमारो। मार्केट जो कल ट्रेड करेगा, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू रिफ्लेक्ट कल का क्या पोजीशन है। that's already been shown here। जो आज आपका हो रहा है मार्केट में, that's already been discounted here। जो मार्केट कल मूवमेंट करेगा, it is going to discount what's going to happen in the next 1-2 months, and we continue the fight between local poor cues and resilient global cues, that is continuing। are you all forgetting कि जब मार्केट में बॉटम बना था तो उस लॉकडाउन का न्यूज पहले ही डिस्काउंट हो गया था? यस, जब सेकेंड लॉकडाउन लगा था अराउंड आई थिंक 1st of May, आपको नीजक रिएक्शन मिला था। बट आर यू ऑल आल्सो फॉरगेटिंग हाउ मच यू ऑल रिपेंटेड, हाउ मच यू ऑल रिग्रेटेड कि जब मार्केट नीचे गिरा था तो ऊपर फिर चला गया था, उसका 100% गेन आ गया था। आर यू ऑल फॉरगेटिंग दैट? सो मेरा एक एडवाइस है कि आप लोग प्लीज नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ डेज बी काम एंड बी साइलेंट इन द मार्केट, ज्यादा मत करना, थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहो। दैट्स द ओनली एडवाइस आई वांट टू गिव यू एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। Okay, and I hope it is well received by the public. I am not going to be very active for the next 1 week. There are going to be some people who are much more experienced, who are much more who know how to trade these areas, who can make ballistic money in this area because of the volatility. If you are one of those people, please trade, take benefit. But I also know there are a lot of people who watch my videos who are practically amateurs, who are at intermediate levels like me. I don't want you to get stuck here. That's the only advice I want to give through this video that I'm making right now. So now I've done all of that. So whoever came to see this video about the advice I wanted to give, that was it. But now let's spend some time about discussing what has happened over the weekend. There have been some updates. Let's talk about that. What are the positives? What are the negatives? And then try to understand the data also that's coming. सब कुछ थोड़ा understand कर लेते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जीएसटी कलेक्शन सबकी डिस्कस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर आप लोग TFA के टेलीग्राम चैनल पे नहीं हो, प्लीज ज्वाइन इन. इट्स अ फ्री चैनल and thank you all 6,000 subscribers in a very short period of time. I never knew Telegram could be such a success, but I'm very happy with the massive response that we've been seeing. So if you want to join our channel, be my guest, feel free to join the channel. It's called TFA Investments, or you can search the financial analyst. You can come to the channel. Okay, it's a free channel. Aa jao and try to see what our perspective is. Please also understand, these are all my personal views, what I'm saying on YouTube, what we say on Telegram. We do not give calls. If you are coming for calls, this is not your place. There are much more other people who do that. हम लोग नहीं करते हैं. We only try to tell you what we are going to do, what we think of the markets, and we always reserve the right to be wrong, because markets are supreme and we are just pawns, small pawns in the market, like in chessboard. हम छोटे प्यादे हैं. That's all. Okay. Some news updates have come which I want to talk about. By the way, जो हमारा stock market program है, The Architect, which is our main mentorship program that we're offering at TFA, we have some slots available for May 10th. It's a weekday batch, 9 to 10:30 every weekday. We are training in the evening. It's a good 25-30 days training that we'll be giving you. Plus, you get a good 1-year membership to our Discord, where we are very active. A lot of benefits are there. So you can always let me know. The details have been given on Telegram. Go through them and bata dena if you're interested. So first of all, COVID cases. They have come down for 2 consecutive days. They were at around 4.2 lakh. Now they've come to 3.7 lakh in 2 days. Now, is that because of weekend low testing? I don't know, but that's a positive. I will take that as a positive. Number 2, another positive that's come is the GST collections. Again, people now they will see this news and पता है सब क्या बोलेंगे, अब तो मजा आ गया, अब तो 100 पॉइंट गैप अप है, अब तो पूरा एग्रेसिव बुलिश हो जाओ. मैं आपको एक चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ. 14,880 मैंने आपको एक लेवल दी है, राइट? दैट्स आई थिंक आई एम द ओनली वन हुज गिवन दैट लेवल. 14,880 के अगर आप लोग ऊपर हो, यू आर अप. इफ यू आर बिलो 14,880, यू आर डाउन. मैं इतनी सी बात करना चाहता हूँ. आई डोंट, दिस इज द ब्लंटेस्ट थिंग आई वांट टू से, दिस इज द मैक्सिमम एडवाइस आई वांट टू गिव यू. अगर आप उसके ऊपर हो, आप लोग बाइंग का सोचो. अगर उसके नीचे हो, मार्केट में प्रेशर रहेगा, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर रहेगा. बी केयरफुल, बी कॉशियस. ठीक है, number 1. Number 2, you got the GST collections news that April to 2021 with the money that was collected was around 1.4 lakh crore. This is again the all-time highs. And a lot of people ask me, how is that possible? ये कैसे हो सकता है? मार्केट तो सब कुछ बंद पड़ा हुआ है. Please understand कि जो ये April में the money that has been collected is basically the GST of जो sales of March collected in April. So वो आपको March का डेटा दिखेगा obviously. So obviously, you know, February and March have been good months of recovery all over the world. Good economic recovery has been seen. Markets have been also showing you the boom. So this is basically, do not, you know, get wrong कि यार April में तो lockdown था, फिर भी कैसे आपको GST ऊपर मिल रहा है. Which again, I come to the point. Next month GST should become muted. So when the first June को आपको GST मिलता है, for the month of April जो May का मिलेगा collections का, that will be muted. Why? Because Maharashtra and a couple of other states had initiated lockdowns, had initiated stricter measures and curbs in the month of April also. So जो आपको impact आप लोग expect कर रहे हो, that could be seen in the next month GST collections. Hopefully that is clear. But as for the market, this is a great news. We continue to have robust collections. I think it's a very big positive. So the COVID cases coming down to 2 consecutive days, the GST collections being out there is a good news. Talking about the IndusInd results, they are also good. Asset quality has come down a bit, but the results are good. It's but much better than expectations. That's another positive. Number 3 is Reliance Industries. Even the Reliance result is good. Ab Reliance ke andar bhi there's another thing that you need to know. The Reliance results of profit hai. Why are we seeing 100% growth? Is because last year same quarter Reliance had a one-time loss, which was regard to something happening at that point of time. Because of that one-time loss, जो base था वो कम हो गया, and now that one-time loss is not there, तो आपको automatically figure inflate हो गया. That's the reason why we have seen जो revenue growth है around 10% हुआ है, 11-15% हुआ है growth. So that I think is also because of increase in pricing. ज़्यादा quantitative growth, I'm not sure, I haven't actually gone through the results. But again, this is a good news. It's a good news. But we have to see how markets will react to them. Obviously, these guys will be in focus. If I talk about the auto sales data, another thing to talk about now, the auto sales data is bad. Obviously, why? Because जो April का auto sales data आया है on 1st of May, every 1st of May auto sales data comes out. The data that's come out is not going to be good. The reason is, why will people buy cars right now? जबकि आपका हर जगह lockdown चल रहा है. Maharashtra, I think around April, what 15 sometime started restrictions. I think states in the south also started restrictions. So if there are restrictions on the movement, how can you do the sales? How can these companies do the sales? That's why the sales have been muted. And obviously, even in this month, the sales will be more muted. That's why I'm trying to say, please, in the coming days, that's why हमने banks को बहुत पहले buy कर लिया है. Also, if you remember, I had given you a suggestion to go long on Hero MotoCorp if we get a dip. तो अगर मैं search करूंगा, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. Hero MotoCorp की हमने एक discussion करी थी. You can all see later. Hero MotoCorp मैंने कुछ किया था, आपको देख लेना, बताता हूँ बाद में. So what I'm trying to say is, हमने एक discussion किया था कि we can go long on Hero MotoCorp. But again, उसके बाद मैंने on the same day लिख दिया था कि अब Hero MotoCorp पे long नहीं जाना. The reason is this. Now, because of restrictions coming in, banking will face pressure, real estate will also start to face pressure, auto will start to face pressure, financials will start to face pressure. So ये in sectors में pressure आ जाएगा. What can be the positive sectors? Obviously, अगर lockdown या कोई strict measures होते हैं, you will get a overall knee-jerk reaction everywhere. That's always the case, because panic जब होता है, it's fast, everyone suffers, all sectors. But the sectors that could be safe are going to be the PSCs. They have got some really good buying, which I'll talk about the data. The IT sector, oil and energy also look okay to an extent. Pharma starting to looking good now. Pharma, IT are looking good. Chemicals, fertilizers, do not miss. I'm again saying, chemical sector, fertilizer sector, API sector, you cannot miss if you are getting a dip in this market. If let's say you get a 500 point fall, 1000 point fall, सब गिरेगा. केमिकल एंड फर्टिलाइजर को मिस नहीं करना. कौन सी कंपनीज आती है? नवीन फ्लोरीन, पीआई इंडस्ट्रीज, जीएमएम फॉडलर, दीपक नाइट्राइट, आरती ड्रग्स, रैलिस इंडिया, ये सब कंपनीज आते हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ गैलेक्सी सर्फ, डिविस लैब्स. Please do not miss these companies. I mean, I'm not saying buy them tomorrow, but if you see slowly, I'm getting you all to buy those companies. We bought Davis Labs a couple of days back. It went up 5% in a day. मैं आपको hints देता जाता हूँ. I don't give calls, but मैं hint दे देता हूँ कि कुछ होने वाला है. I hope you make benefit of that. So इस sector को miss मत करना. Why am I saying it? Is because let's say things get really strict. Try to understand and always remember what's happened in the past. India is a primarily agricultural dominant country. That's why 60-70% of the GDP is going to be protected, because agriculture being essential is going to continue. And these companies are keep on doubling. आप इनके प्राइस देखो कहाँ पे है, थे इन लास्ट में, आज कहाँ पे है. प्रेशर आएगा, बैंक्स ऑटो पे प्रेशर आएगा, फाइनेंशियल प्रेशर आएगा, बट दीज कंपनीज शुड बी एबल टू आउट परफॉर्म. I am very bullish on them. So keep that in mind also. So auto sales data that has come out, let me talk about that a little bit. Eicher Motor, they reported 53,000 sales हुई उनकी unit bikes की, which was as compared to 66,000 the previous month. So poor sales. If I talk about Atul Auto, in April they sold 915 units and last month था 1750. So 50% reduction हो गया. If I talk about bigger companies, let's say like Maruti, let me show you all the data that's come out. It's all on TFA Daily also. Maruti, they sold about 1.59 lakh in April, but 1.67 lakh was in March. So it's again coming down. Ashok Leyland, they sold 8340 units. In March, it was around 17230, 17,000. You can see the reduction in sales. That will have a toll on the stock prices also in the coming days. So keep a track of them. And finally, everyone likes Tata Motors. They have sold 39,000 rough units in April, which is as compared to 66,000 in March. And Mahindra, let's not forget, 36,000 in April, and they sold 40,000 in March. So थोड़ा सा इनके ऊपर focus रखेंगे. Mahindra and Maruti, they are better than expectations. बाकी सब companies are poorer than expectations. So कल I will not be surprised अगर Maruti and Mahindra they remain elevated and बाकी सब गिर जाएंगे. So we will see how market reacts. The other news that's been out there is the BJP result, election result. And elections में Assam was the only state, I think, the major state that BJP has won. BJP has got the majority in Assam, whereas to the surprise of exit polls and pre-election polls, BJP has lost again in Bengal. Mamta ji is back in power, so people were expecting BJP will come in power in Bengal, but again now that is going. Let's see how market reacts. Interesting point, interesting juncture. Let's see how markets react to that. तो बड़ा important होगा ये देखना. In other states, we know why Sun TV is going up, because Tamil Nadu or BJP obviously उसका question नहीं है. So again, I am not inclined towards any political parties. I just tell you what is coming in the news and what I keep on reading. So we will again see how the state elections are going to impact. Maybe markets have already discounted that in the last 1-2 days fall, but let's see what's going to come. But please remember, as I'm telling you again and again, the next couple of days are going to be aggressively volatile. Finally, we have the data. Data is bearish. I'll be very honest about it. The data is bearish. मैं समझा देता हूँ why am I saying that. Data तो ऐसा दिखाता है कि कल ब्लड बात हो जाएगा. देखो, I'm not here to give you any fabricated stuff. You all know me. I'm a very simple person. Try to understand data में देखो क्या हुआ है. The clients, we were worried about this figure. First of all, index future में clients who were short, which we just saw. We wanted 2 days of consecutive shorts, but today they have bought a lot of index future, and on the first day of the month. That is bearish, and FIIs have reduced a lot, about 30,000 contracts in futures. ये बड़ा problem हो गया, and clients, they are becoming more and more bullish. They had written some calls, now they are getting more and more bullish. At the same time, FIIs ने भी थोड़े calls buy करे हैं. So that shows कि FIIs भी कहीं ना कहीं hedge कर रहा है अपने आप को. He is expecting volatile trades. Look at this stock future, or let's look at index puts. पहले they had written 91,000 puts. Now they have written 1.5 lakh puts. They are so bullish. They are so bullish. People like you and me are so bullish. We don't want to let the gains go. Whereas FIIs have also added puts. मतलब FIIs became bearish and काफी ज़्यादा, about 25,000 contracts की है. And the biggest upset is the stock future. Clients who were holding 5.7 lakh, and please note this figure from 6.5 came to 5.7 lakh. It's again gone up about 1.20 lakh contracts. I think that's the biggest addition I've seen in a long time on a day-to-day basis. बहुत बड़ा figure है. This in itself tells me what the hell is wrong with the market. What the hell is wrong with people like you and me. However, good thing, there is always one sweet thing. Stock futures of FIIs, they have also gone to a 2 to 3 month high. They've also had 2.37 lakh contracts. And ये जो buying हुआ है, it is in companies like IT, pharma, PSCs, ONGC, जो मैं आपको oil and energy बता रहा हूँ. ये 4-5 सेक्टर में buying हुआ है. So that's why I'm saying इन sectors में थोड़ा bullish रह सकते हैं if you want to be a bull. Others में थोड़ा careful रहेंगे. I will tell you कब buy करना है investment के लिए, but अभी careful रहो. So this data tells me कि कल market गिर भी सकती है, recover भी हो सकती है. तो मैं नहीं कहता आप सुबह उठ के मैंने कहा ब्लड बात है तो आप पुटे ले लो, ऐसा नहीं मैं कह रहा. ठीक है? So मैं आपको अपना व्यू दे चुका हूँ. I have already given you the view how volatile the markets can be. तो आप उनको accordingly play करो. This is the entire video I want to talk about. थोड़ा lengthy था. But I think it was important to bring across my point. I'm not concerned with SGX Nifty. I'm not concerned with the global market because I believe they are at highs. America has, on a day-to-day basis, fallen down. On a day-to-day basis, it has fallen down. But if you look at the month-to-month basis, if you look at the month-on-month basis, it's closed in the 3rd consecutive month in green. If I look at France, it's closed 3rd consecutive month in green. If I look at UK, 3rd consecutive month in green, and Germany, 3rd consecutive month in green. So if you tell me that global markets are becoming weak because they fell about 50 points yesterday, I will not agree with that. They are resilient. And we already know that जो भी movement होता है regarding COVID, it happens 1-2 months before it happens in India. So ये हमें पता है. So just be careful. That is my word of caution to end this, come to a conclusion. Be careful and you know what to do. If we get any ideas, हम बताएंगे जरूर. but I will be less active on the intraday front. You already know how I've positioned myself away in the last couple of days from intraday, because I believe it's not about making, thousands of money every day. It's about coming in coming once in a couple of days, finding a right trade, doing that, and getting out. Because remember, this in markets, as you must have heard in Harshad Mehta's that Scam 1992 series, ये market कुआं है, it's a well. You can keep on going deeper and deeper, and you even though you're wrong, you will say नहीं नहीं यार अब तो मैं gold निकालूंगा. So you have to know when to stop and when to start. With that, I end this meeting. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found something valuable. Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed, like. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and let's share this video, make others cautious so that we can be responsible and help others. Thank you so much. Stay safe.